Okay, so how many of you really would like to learn how you can generate and build inbound lead generation system? Okay, I'm sorry, Divya. Right. Okay, cool. How many of you really would like to learn how you can generate organic leads using Facebook and specifically without having a lot of followers? Like, how many of you ready? Type ready in the chat box. Yes. Okay. Hi, Siddharth. Good to see you back after a long time. So others, please turn on your videos. At least I could connect with you. Let's know each other first, then we'll start our day with the webinar. Yes. Give me 1 minute. Okay, cool. Soumya, you're here for the first time. Yes, cool. Okay, I'd like to know like how do you know me from Facebook group, Facebook profile or any other? Just type anywhere basically you know me from because a lot of new faces I can see. Okay, they are from TTT training. Great. What about others? Santosh, Silage, cool. Anyone from my Facebook group or my Facebook profile? Soumya also from TTT. Great. Love to know about your niche, like what do you do, so that I can give you the better clarity about today's topic. Yeah, please type maybe you are into coaching or some of you already into some services. Okay, Dia, you are life coach. Great. Bhushan, you are a funnel designer. Okay, you are into service industry. What about others? Santosh, relationship coach. Siddharth, affiliate marketing coach. Great. What about others? Lavanya, hi Lavanya. If you are here, please. Not clear? Okay. Okay, not clear means your niche is not clear. Cool. Soumya, holistic abundance coach. Good to see you here. What about others? Raj. Um, what about Monita? I know. Preeti, you can share what exactly you do so that I can address you better. Yeah. Okay, you are also an affiliate marketer. How do you pronounce it? Ankit. Ashankit, what? How do you do? Yeah. Okay, need niche clarity. Okay, so this topic is today I'm going to talk about for Facebook organic marketing, like how I run my organic marketing business, and I will show you like the exact system that I follow to generate leads and build my lead generation system. Yeah. Hi, Lavanya, good to see you here. Okay, who else? Preeti, Likeshwar, if you can just turn on your video, everyone, and I'd like to see you, connect with you, and know about you. Yeah. So, what is your expectation from today's session? Anyone like to unmute and share? What is your one expectation from today's session? Yeah, Soumya, please go ahead.
Okay. Hi, Sagar. See, my
Hi.
expectation is I want to have more people, organic people, so where I can give a free sessions and then convert them into my paid sessions.
Okay, so how are you using currently right now? What is your existing methods?
Currently, I was part of one community. I used to actually do a free sessions there. And
Okay.
once they thought there was some value addition which was happening, and then I started, making my own course and just wanted to see that, trial, how many of them are interested. And
Okay.
luckily for the first time, there was like, 12 to 13 of them, like, paid, they came for the paid course.
Paid course. And what is your like paid course pricing structure? How what price range you sell?
Sagar, okay, I am not actually into a coaching. Okay, I just was, going with the hackathon with Siddharth. Okay,
Okay,
so
Siddharth.
at that time, I used to follow his methods and all. I just didn't go into a system setting and all. but whatever steps you used to say I used to do. And with that, first course, like, it's for a trial, and I just did for 1 month, and I charged for 2,000 rupees, and there were some 12 to 13 people who came.
Great. That's a great start. Nice. Do you have a like higher end, like higher level coaching also, or it is a group coaching or just one-to-one? How do you actually do
It's
that?
a group coaching. It's a
Group coaching.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. Good. Nice. What about others? What is your one expectation from this training? Okay, Lavanya, you would like to share? So what do you exactly expect from this today's session? So like for your business, okay, you want to generate leads, or maybe you are running, some of you, I know that they run ads, but they wanted to learn organic lead generations also. So I know a lot of things, like what is your core intention behind joining this training?
Yeah. Hi, Sagar.
Hi.
I'm also from ILH.
Yes. Okay. Great to see you here.
Yeah, recently I completed my freedom finisher.
Mhm.
So I want to make more leads from now.
Okay.
That's my criteria. Yeah.
Nice. So you said you are life coach, right?
Yeah,
No.
I'm a habit expert and mind coach.
Okay. Habits and mind coach, mostly productivity, related to productivity.
Yeah, for school students.
School students. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you started selling your product?
Yeah, I have a paid member.
Okay. Nice. Okay. So what about others? Shrikant, Indrapreet.
Hi, Sagar.
Hi, Siddharth. Yeah.
Yeah, see, my expectation is to generate leads and to convert them into sales. Okay,
Convert them.
because
Okay.
where I am standing now is everything is fine, but
Hmm.
not getting that much lead and not getting conversion. Okay,
Okay. Okay. So who do you target, Siddharth, for affiliate marketing coaching?
I'm targeting mainly newbies and struggling affiliate marketers.
Struggling affiliate marketing. Okay.
Okay,
Cool. Have you started
and
making sales?
not yet, but yes.
Mhm.
At least I mean I got 60% conversion from people. I mean I am talking people,
Mhm.
mainly I am pitching OFA.
Mhm.
Okay, but OFA, I mean taking care of their problem, then only I can promote OFA.
Okay,
Okay,
target. What
so
I suggest is, since I've already promoted, I'm just trying to interrupt. So just focus one target that is just new, not struggling.
okay, okay,
Your
okay,
target is completely new. Just focus one.
okay,
Everyone, for everyone, like few, sometimes I get a lot of queries like this, like sometimes they are not able to figure it out who is the target audience. Just to share, like always, whenever just getting started, just pick one micro audience, micro target audience. Okay, that will be game changer for you, because you know better than anybody else, rather than targeting.
yes,
Once you start getting sales, you will add. My first was like that. Then I started adding new people. I started adding coaches and other stuff. Okay,
okay. Thank
great.
you. Thanks.
Okay, so Preeti is talking about want to launch my fitness dance session. We'll be starting this from scratch right now. I'm currently working in sales and marketing for agency. Okay, so your fitness dance session. Okay, got it. Who basically you are targeting? Any specific target audience? I'm getting information. The reason being, I can relate to you the right point whenever I'm going to explain each step. Okay. Preeti, who basically you are targeting? Any specific target audience?
Yeah, hi Sagar.
Hi, Preeti.
The target audience would be can be basically men and women both.
Maybe pick one woman, and that too also specific target age category. Maybe it can be uh, engineering students, or maybe very specific. The more specific you go, the more audience and organic leads you'll get. In organic marketing, what happens, we have to filter based on lot of criteria. Okay, based on their interest, based on the people they follow, based on the groups, the community they are part of, right? So that's why we have to fix one particular target audience and very specific. Then only we'll know that, okay, if I tell you, okay, who is your target audience? Okay, this is the exact person, what they do, what exactly they follow, what they actually spend most of their time on social media. So these are things, once you're very clear about the target audience. So that's why, like, pick women because you will relate more about them, and maybe specific age category, maybe 18 to 25 or 30, something around that. That would be great selection for you. Cool.
Yeah, I think sounds good.
Yeah. Okay, so let's get started. I can see some other Olive. Hi, Olive. If you're here, if you can just share what about you, about your niche, or what exactly you want to learn from here. Okay. Cool. What about others? Those who are just joining, just turn on your video and please do share what is your one expectation from today's session, so that I'll guide you better. Yeah. In the meantime, I'm just sharing my screen. Yes. Okay, so before I start, let me share a little bit about myself. Is it okay if I share a little bit about my background, so that you will know, like, why I'm the right person to teach this particular topic? Type yes, yes, yeah, in the chat box. Others, I'm still waiting to see you so that I can connect with you more. Raj, Bhushan, Shrikant. Okay, thank you. So, hi, my name is Sagar. So, I'm an internet marketer. So, I started my journey as an affiliate marketer back in 2020. The reason I started this journey is definitely want to create multiple sources of income while I was doing a job as a sales profession, right? So, the moment I got an email from my HR that, Sagar, your salary will be halved from next month, the month of April. You know that the March month, everything got shut down, and so the problem was not the company, definitely, but it was me, something I need to get started uh, to learn the key skill of online marketing. And I did a lot of digital marketing training back in 2017, but I was not getting interest in that because they were just focusing on certificate. There was a no learning. Then I 2020 March, I met top uh, marketers in India. Many of you know that Siddharth, Deepak, all the masters I met in Delhi. That's how actually I try to reconsider digital marketing again. Okay. And in digital marketing exploration, I got introduced to uh, internet marketing, like sales funnel, click funnels, affiliate marketing. Now everybody is good, but everything is good, but people are saying, like, if you want to create a product, then it will take 1 year, 2 years. Then what I was thinking, what should I do? Then I started affiliate marketing. Now in affiliate marketing, normally, you know what happens? Uh, you still overwhelmed with so many products, right? That was the biggest mistake I used to do. Like, okay, signing with every other affiliate link for it. And what happens, what I used to do is I just try to spam link everywhere. So that was something I used to do. Okay. So that was something I used to do, like spamming links everywhere. Then what happens? I did not get any sales, right? So I searched for some cool hacks to actually get money, right? So I was just running behind making money, because at that point of time there was a huge loan, and there. But 2020 was the March. It was a very pressure moment. So I had to try all those stuff to make money, but I failed for 2-3 months. Then I realized I have to pick one product and one offer and one target audience. That's why I was talking to some few of you that if you target everyone, you are actually targeting no one. Okay, that's why I drilled down my target audience to one type of audience, and I just picked one product that was affiliate product of Russell Brunson I was promoting. Even today also I'm promoting, and I never promoted a lot of products during my journey. I just promoted one or two or maximum three, which basically I use for myself. If some of you here are affiliate marketer, I would highly recommend in affiliate marketing, do not just product that product you do not use, because people will see the genuine of yours. They will see that you are not a genuine person actually just promoting a myth to just make money. So that just I started promoting one product, but I was still figured out how to promote it. And you cannot imagine, I paid $200 for a 3-hour consultation call to learn this organic marketing. Then I realized if I paid this person for this amount just for 3-hour call to teach me how this, because I used to not to go for a course. I used to just thinking how can I get coaching from someone and I'll save a lot of time. So I paid that person 15,000 rupees just to learn this organic marketing. Okay, that's how actually my organic marketing started. So that's why but still I failed for 6 months, the straight 6 month in 2020. Then 2020 September, I decided that I'll leave job and completely focus on my business. So I had definitely some resources in the back end, not much, but I was ready to take a risk. Okay, and I just took a risk. I invested another into coaching to learn actually organic marketing, what I'm going to teach you today. And this organic marketing, actually that point of time, I invested some 1 lakh around money to learn this. And but the thing is, everybody were running behind the paid ads, paid traffic. I learned this traffic concept in a really hard way by actually learning from US mentor, one of my US mentor, which is charging actually $7,500, right? So you don't have to invest that much to learn that system, right? Now I'm going to give you that system here today. How many of you really would like to learn that system today? Type me in the chat box. Okay, cool. What about others? Okay, so let me share you my screen. Okay, so that's my background behind organic marketing. And so let's get started. So agenda will be first, I'll teach you how you should know the better of the Facebook algorithm, because once you know Facebook algorithm, you will actually do it better. So that is something I'm going to discuss. Second is I'll talk about the 8-step GCF system that I'm using and my students are using to generate organic leads, organic sales from that. And till date, I started from 2020 till date, I have not used any paid method as of now, right? So that's why I like fall in love with organic marketing. And so this GCF system, actually, I'm going to teach you like how you can build a system around Facebook that actually give you a lot of leads organically. Okay. And last, I'll share the next step. If anybody want to work with me, I'll share a little about what exactly inside our community, how you can be part of our community. That is completely optional, but this is something super valuable. Don't miss out this particular 8-step system. Okay, type 8 in the chat box if you really like to learn this 8-step GCF system. Okay, Dia, Lavanya, yes. Iswar, Indraprit, great. First of all, great to have you here. Thank you so much for joining today, those who joined late. First, take digital notes or take, I'll be sharing one link to share inside our group, and focus for next 45 minutes. I'll be sharing key concepts of organic marketing, and please ask question at the end. So maybe you have some questions, so just note it down, maybe in your notebook, something, and just ask at the end. Okay, everybody clear? Type C in the chat box if you're clear about important instruction. Yes. Thank you, everyone. Okay, so how I got here, yeah, as I mentioned that I started my journey with affiliate marketing since I had no product knowledge, learned Facebook organic marketing, now found this. Now in that journey, I figured out, okay, what is the one key method that helped me to grow fast? So I figured out Facebook group system. Okay. Everybody's talking about organic marketing, but nobody should talking about Facebook group system. That's how I figured out, okay, I'm going to teach everyone how they can build a Facebook group, and that Facebook group will help them to generate leads, to convert them, and make sales. Okay. So it's time to teach you to grow your online business without spending money on ads and having huge following, right? So results from Facebook organic marketing: grown my Facebook group from 0 to 1700. This might look small, but this is a huge, because I don't accept everyone inside my group. There are a lot of group members coming, but I accept only people. I'll show you what the system is exactly. There is a huge filtration system. So I have only my target audience inside my group, not I allow everyone inside my group. And more than 130 paid members, completely organic, and generated over 30,000 of sales in last 16 months. Okay, that is the data I got. Now let's talk about traffic. Okay, before moving to Facebook, first let's understand what is traffic. So traffic is something that you get people to see your funnel, okay, through social media. There are a lot of traffic: Facebook traffic, Instagram traffic, YouTube traffic. Now, as I mentioned that first you need to focus on one. Definitely you have opportunity to expand everyone, but first 90 days, I would highly recommend you to focus one platform and go deeper into it and understand that platform. How many of you believe that power of one has a huge potential to grow fast? Rather than going wide, you need to go deep. Type yes if you believe that the power of one has a huge potential. So I'll be keeping this, I'll be expecting from you that keep this interactive. I'll be asking to type something, so just ready with your hands. Yes, yes. So I'll talk about the core concept of traffic. So even if you get everything, every traffic with you, you know the different aspect of traffic. The three type of traffic is there. The first, traffic you control. Okay, Facebook ads, Google ads, affiliate, partnerships. These are the traffic basically you control. Why you control? Because you decide which area to target. You decide which people to choose so that they will promote your products. Okay, and you decide which partnership you do. So these are the traffic basically you control. You have that control over it. Okay. Second type of traffic. So this is the concept I learned from Russell Brunson, who is my first mentor in terms of internet marketing. Traffic you do not control. This is something you just put a YouTube video, or maybe you just create an article on a blog or on your website, and social media post you do, or reels video you do. That is something you do not control, because you have a control over posting only. The control over traffic, it is about the searchability. If you put right keyword, then only people will search for that keyword, then it will match, then they will see your things. So it is a long-term traffic, but it is, we cannot control. We just control about content creation. We cannot control how we will get traffic, because these are the traffic like YouTube, blogs. People search for it and we rank based on that, and they will come to our funnel. So that is the traffic. Third type of traffic, the traffic that you own. After you get traffic from traffic you control, that you spend money or you spend time to acquire some partnerships. After you spend time on like the blogs, YouTube, then objective is to get traffic to your own world. What is that own world? Like collecting their information so that you can reach out any point of time. That's why we call build email list. Your traffic email list is your biggest asset in your business. Okay. So do not forget these things, because always whenever you are actually creating content, do whatever you do on an online space, just think how you can capture that, right? A lot of people just focusing on followers. What if you lost your account tomorrow? You lose your account tomorrow. What will do? You don't have any data, right? So that's why we need funnel to capture that email list, right? Now I'll tell you, using Facebook group, you don't need even funnel. You just need Facebook group, and that is also free to capture email list. How many of you are excited to learn about it? Type me in the chat box if you like to learn that. You do not need funnel to learn how to capture email list using Facebook group. Yes, great. So everybody is clear about three type of traffic: traffic you control, traffic you do not control, traffic that you own. If everybody is clear about this part, the type C in the chat box. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Now let's talk about why should I talk about Facebook? Why should I like start generating Facebook? Because Facebook has huge potential that has 2.82 billion active users. Please remove this annotation, please. Okay. Now next is, it is a largest user base and audience transparency. You know your audience better in Facebook. So that's why I choose Facebook, and you can build a personal connection through your profile also. Okay. I'm using my Facebook profile to actually build connections. Many of you also have that problem that, okay, I cannot use my Facebook profile because I have a friend's family. So I would like to share this thing, that in future you have to build your brand, okay, now to sell your product. So it's better to use your profile for a business purpose also, because that is something going to help us to connect with our audience in a personal level. Now Facebook, why Facebook organic marketing? Because it is a free traffic. First, second, best for a new online entrepreneurs, because new online entrepreneurs, they don't have money to invest and they want to generate leads. Okay. And here you build loyal audience. And next is have opportunity to interact and conversation with your target audience. So at the start, it might take time. Okay. You'll like, okay, I'll spend time to find my audience, interacting with them. Yes, the more you interact on daily basis, even if 1 hour or 2 hours in a day, you will have that knowledge about your audience better. Okay, so that's why I call it, you have the opportunity to interact with your target audience and make a real connection with them and meet your audience where they are hanging out. It means you can go to groups, or maybe you can go to a community where actually they are already hanging out, right? Now let's talk about the first section, that is how Facebook algorithm works. Facebook algorithm is no longer for content. Earlier, before 2016, what used to happen, it was like the more content you put, the more visibility you will get, more engagement you will get. Okay, so it is not about that right now. After 2016, Mark Zuckerberg posted something that it is no longer for content. It is right now. It is all about meaningful engagement. How you can create a conversation around your content, that is more important. No longer driving traffic. Okay, it is about do something that gets people to talk. I'll show you some cool recent post that actually people just reached millions of people just by posting it. I'll be showing mostly after some time. Yeah. And Facebook, whenever you post something, Facebook only show to 20% of your target audience, of your friend list, or whatever followers you have. How many of you did not know about it? Type D and K in the chat box. It only shows 20%, not everyone. That's why you might be thinking, okay, I have 1,000 friends, but my post is not getting reach. How many of you felt that? Anyone felt that you have a lot of friends, but yes. So now, whenever you get engagement, when people start talking to you, that actually shows to maximum people. Okay. And Facebook platform prefer people spending as much as time on Facebook. Okay. So that's the power of engagement. I'll be showing some posts actually can create a lot of engagement for your business also. Okay. Now let's talk about why Facebook group. As I mentioned, it has access to 2 billion people right now. Now, what if you can get a small fraction of those 2.8 billion people? How you will do it? You have a control over the people you want to attract. Okay. I'll be showing the actual system, how you can build that you will attract the right kind of audience towards your funnel, towards your profile. And you build a community of loyal fans, whosoever joining your group, because they will see your group, because they will find, okay, this is the purpose of that group. So you are actually building your loyal fans over there. So even I have 4,900 friends on my Facebook profile, but I have only 1,700 members inside a group. Why? Because 1,700 people actually know me. They want to learn from me. Maybe they want to transact with me. That is, we can call it, they are actually either warm audience, either hot audience. They are no longer, once they get inside your group, they are no longer cold audience as such. And use as a learning tool. Facebook group, literally I'm using as a learning tool, learning management system. Even when I got started, that at point of time, I was not using any LMS tool. Literally, I was using LMS as a Facebook group. I'll be showing you how you can also do it. Build authority in your niche because you have an audience. So people will love to collaborate with you. Sometimes I get, okay, Sagar, you have a similar kind of audience, what I am looking for. Can we collaborate with each other? Okay. So that is something a lot of people ask me because I build my authority in this particular topic, this type of audience. Okay. Similarly, you will get priceless insights how to improve your offer. I'll be showing you something like called questions, the membership questions that will help you to actually filter your audience, know what exactly they want, and improve your offer based on that. Because while your audience is giving you direction that, okay, Sagar, you need to work on this thing. That's how you build your offer. And free traffic from other Facebook group. Okay, I would like to ask you, like, how many of you have seen whenever you join a group and the moment you get inside that group, then you will see some other groups are recommending to you. How many of you have seen that? Let's type me in the chat box. If you have ever seen that people actually, the Facebook actually recommend other group to also join. Yes. Yes. So that is actually the power of Facebook group because you build similar kind of audience. That's why Facebook shows that, okay, you should also join this group. Now, let's take an example that you have a audience of coaches. Okay. Life coaches. I'm taking an example. Now you are actually helping life coaches. I'm just giving an example. The moment you go to your audience is hanging around some other groups related to your particular group topic or audience, Facebook will check their AI tool that, okay, now this group has a lot of life coaches inside this group. So let's recommend this group to your group. That's what actually happens when actually you create a build audience. This will happen. It is somewhere around 300 to 500 members. Once you start building your groups, that's why slowly Facebook will know that, okay, are you building similar kind of audience? That's why I always focus that whenever you're starting a group, just focus on one target audience. Let's suppose you are targeting only college students. You will be recommended in other university groups. Maybe your group will be recommended in other college specific groups. Got it? So if you got this point, then type yes in the chat box, because this is super important. That's the reason why I'm sharing that Facebook group is building very, very important. Yes. Also, I host challenge workshop for free. I don't have actually even before using Zoom. I was doing free challenge, free workshop inside Facebook group, even spending anything on like high-end tools like Zoom. So there's like, all of us always work on Jugaad things, how we can do these things. So I used to use the tool called StreamYard. I used to do stream inside the Facebook Live. StreamYard is free for 20 hours a month. And I used to do whenever I do workshop challenges inside the group for free. That is the power of Facebook group. Get quality leads and conversions. Okay. Because since they know you, they trust you, they like you inside a group, that's how you will get quality leads. And it will help you to build your biggest asset that I talked about, the traffic that you control, that is email list. Now, these all system I'm going to explain step by step from step number 1 to step number 8. So Facebook group helped me to launch my Facebook, group coaching. Facebook promote my group to similar audience. Yeah. I can create literally course. A lot of foreign marketer or in the Western marketer, they actually sell their coaching program just using Facebook group. Just create a Facebook group, private, not public, and give access to that group. That's it. No LMS, nothing. So similarly, I also started creating this one. I was into affiliate marketing, but later I started upgrading to ClickFunnels and all. Yeah. And filter my audience, building my email list, host interview show. I also host interview show inside the group. That's how I do it. This is how I built my group from 0 to 700 members. It is not about just me. I'm just talking about me. One of my recent student, she actually cracked first $1,000 in just 28 members, and she crossed 6.5 mark. I think now it's more than 10K mark, 10K dollar, which is 7.5 lakhs, more than 7.5 lakhs. She's now just having 78 members or something as of today data. That is the power of Facebook group. Yeah. So why you should care about it? Because Facebook ads are no longer cheap. Competition is very high, so you have to build your own audience, quality people. Okay, people are getting tired of cold messaging. Some people actually do a lot of cold messaging. Many of you also getting through Instagram, through Facebook Messenger, right? And no organic reach on page. If you try to do on Facebook page, it will not help you. The reason being, Facebook page is only designed for Facebook ads, so that's why it has a very less reach. Profile reach is going down. That's why you need to work on Facebook group, because you have a control over it. You have a control over to send them email once they get inside the group. Yeah, it is very hard and time consuming to get sales for a new online marketer or coach. Now let's get started with the 8-step group cash flow system that actually I built from scratch to build my online business. Ready for it? Type R in the chat box. So we have 21 members excluding me. Let's see. Everybody with me? Type R in the chat box. Cool. What about others? We have a lot of people. Great. So this is the 8-step group cash flow system. Thank you so much for Preeti. Thank you so much, Diya, Shrikant, and Bhushan, Indrapit, Lavanya. Yeah, thank you everyone. The first step, to identify your dream customer for your product. That's why I discussed that you need to figure out your dream customer. Dream customer means your ideal customer, or whatever the perfect customer you name. You think that you can help them the best possible way. Okay. If you ask me, Sagar, help somebody maybe from B2B company, they wanted to reach like $1 million. Yes, I'm not built up that level. I'm now ready to help the someone who just getting started. I'm helping them to reach their first $1,000 mark. So I love to help the newbie, a new internet marketer. That's why I mentioned that I love to help the new aspiring marketer, new aspiring coach, because I connect with them more than anybody else. So you need to look at your backstory, your maybe past journey, that who do you connect most? Then pick one target audience. Okay, then try it for at least 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. Then you see, okay, this is working for you. Then you start adding other members. So if you're targeting everyone, you are targeting no one. So target one type of audience first. Then once you build your business, maybe $5,000 or $10,000, then go for the next. Okay, finding the new customer avatar. Everybody is clear. Type C, type S1 in the chat box if you're clear about the step 1. Identify your dream customer. Who is your dream? Okay. The next step is identify the places where your dream customers hang out. Now, once you do it in Facebook organic marketing, there are different ways you can find out your dream customers. Now, if you know your first step 1, who's your actually dream customer, then you know that who they follow or maybe which group they are part of. Okay. That's about I'm just going to show you few demonstration right now. Okay, so let's suppose I'm actually targeting coaches. Okay, now once I'll search the coaches word. So similarly, you can search for the target audience you targeting. That's why I say, are you targeting only women or are you targeting only particular setup category? So it is easier to search them. Okay, so here basically once I click there, I'll go to groups. Okay, then I'll show my okay, my coaching target audience are part of these particular groups. Now I do little bit research. This is not just a 5-minute work, but I'm just showing you the process. Now you go maybe join some groups, 5-10 groups, then see what are the authenticity of the group. Do not join some groups, they are full of spammers. Okay, so also you can see some criteria to actually get inside the group. So already I have been part of this group. So basically you will see this type of group like this, see join, this type of option you will get see. Okay, so how do you know that this group is a good group? First, there are 2 criteria. First, I see if that group is active or not. Okay, this group has 4 posts a day. It means that this group is quite active. Some groups has 10 plus posts a day. Okay, this is also like more active than some. So what I'll do is I'll join this group. The second step, I'll see if that group is managed by an admin or not. That admin is active in a frequency or not. If not, I'll leave that group. So that is the research you need to do. Okay, so so this is the one way of doing it. There are other ways to find clients, like searching for pages and all. Okay, right. So that's how you will do. Also, you go for pages. Also, you can find some influencer method. So there are different ways. So mostly I look for a communities, because community people are always try to activate there, and you will find similar kind of people frequently. So that is the second step. Identify places where your dream customer hangs out. Okay, so just think about it, that okay, my customer might be following this person. Okay, this person has a group. Similarly, you need to find it out. That is the second step. Third step, attract your dream client organically to your funnel. Now, you've been part of that group, or you use also now Facebook and Instagram is almost same. If you're creating content, also you know what type of hashtag you to use to attract this type of people. Okay, you need to see like what the hashtag my audience is already using. Why I'm giving Instagram, because Instagram and Facebook more or less same, and I've been actually generating quite good leads using right kind of hashtag, right kind of creating right kind of uh, reels. Okay. Now, how to attract? You can attract by creating content in that group. You can attract making comment in that group. You can attract making like you're sharing, maybe solving a big problem in that particular group, because this group people are actually solving a lot of problem. I'll say like, let's suppose I'll go to this group. People are actually if you visit this particular group, people are asking a lot of questions like, oh, what exactly these things. Okay, looking for 3 course creator. Okay, this is basically lead generation post. Okay, okay, on how many clients do you have at a time? So go and answer, sorry, some question like raised related to your audience, how your audience is asking. Maybe you can some sort of problem inside that group. So find out your audience type. Once you get inside the group, you see like what are the ways you can actually attract them. Okay, so that is the third way you can attract them. Also, that other ways you can attract them by actually building your friend list. If you see, my friend list actually growing. Now it is 4.9K. I cannot go beyond 5K because 5K is a Facebook friend limit. Now I have 4.9K friends. Out of that, 1700 inside my group, Facebook group. So what exactly they're doing? I'm also creating content. So yesterday when I posted this particular post, and I got 74 comments. Okay, so still people are commenting to actually get inside this particular webinar, right? So this is how I'm attracting from my profile. So there is a way you can build a profile. That is something I'm going to talk about next. Building your inbound lead generation system. Okay, are you with me up to step number 3? Type me in the chat box. Yes, I'm talking about what is inbound lead system. Yes, just checking if you're with me. Yes, thank you everyone. Now, inbound lead system is once I create content, maybe on groups or my profile. Now, what happens whenever I spend time inside the other community and people see me as an authority, and I know some answers, they'll try to connect with you. So your job is not to sell there. Your job is to sell your 5 seconds in that group, or in whatever content your job is to sell your 5 seconds. The moment they click your profile, that's how you attract them through your message. Here, actually, I'm calling out my target audience. My target audience is coaches. My target audience is affiliate marketers. These are my 2 top target market, and I'm calling out their name with the solution I'm going to give. Okay, I help to monetize a Facebook group. Okay, if you have a group or if you don't have a group, then I can help you to build your group from scratch, or you have a group, then I will help you to monetize your group using my GCF system. Now, what the call to action I'm giving? I'm giving VIP. How many of you have, how many of you don't have optimized profile? H in the chat box. Please type that you don't have. Everybody have optimized profile over here? Anyone here? Optimized profile. I'm talking about I'm talking about Facebook profile. That here actually I'm okay. Siddharth, you have. Bobin, you have. Okay, cool. How many of you don't have? Just type don't have in the chat box. Nothing to. I'm just teaching you how you can do it here. The reason I'm talking about this, the moment you go to other groups or being part of some other community, people will try to contact you, people try to reach out to you, because that's how you build your inbound lead system. So your inbound lead system starts from here. Yes, a lot of people you have. What about others? If you don't have, just write don't have, nothing to it, because you are learning over here how to do it, right? So here, basically what I'm doing is I'm giving call to action to my Facebook group. The moment the people come to my Facebook group, here they are joining my group. Now, since I'm already part of my group, so I'm admin of the group. The moment somebody will join, it will ask some question to answer. Okay. So what are the questions? I ask these questions. Welcome to this group. And please tell us, what do you sell online? Now, in that question, I try to learn about them. I asked about, okay, how you would like to start with this community. Ask them, okay, if you want to register free training, you want to discuss your business problem, or you want to just add to that group. So I'm very clear that what exactly they are going to do once they get inside the group. If somebody is don't answer, I just cross check with their profile. If I find good, then only approve. Otherwise, I don't approve them. I straight away click reject. Okay. Here, Swapna is answered, so I'm going to approve him. Okay. So similarly, this is my organic lead generation system. I'm approving only those people who actually sharing about their details, that why exactly they are going to part of this community. At least they should answer 2 questions, right? Otherwise, there maybe some people still try to spam like this. Some people still try to promote their stuff. Okay, I'm not approving them over here. Okay, so that's the 4 step that build your inbound lead system. This is my lead system started from my Facebook profile, and I'm collecting them. Now, the next step is filter core audience to hot audience. At the moment I see that, okay, these people have a product, they share their problem. The moment I approve them, actually I'm filtering them. Okay, these people are serious, these people are actually having a problem, let's talk to them. Okay, so here also I have a filter. Once they join this group, I have a step-by-step formula to move them towards my next funnel. Okay. So what I'm doing is, the moment they join my group, first level of filter happened through asking question. Second level of filter, I'm asking, tagging them and asking them that, okay, what exactly they want to know. Here people are actually commenting that, okay, Sagar, I wanted to learn this. Now actually I'm filtering all the people from my just being a member to group, just having a right problem. Okay, so this is the system I've been building. Mahesh, as I mentioned, what if somebody don't answer all the question? So what I do is, sometimes I reject, sometimes I go and check out that if those person are connected with me on some other community. Sometimes they just want to be, they know me personally, but they just wanted to join a group. So I sometimes approve them. Yeah, but very rarely I approve them by actually doing research about them. Otherwise, people just join your group just to spam. I don't do that spam. There are a lot of feature. Actually, you can remove that post option from them. Okay, so this is the sixth step is to build your email list. Okay, here basically last question I'm asking. If you see, last question I asked, that email list. Okay. Here I'm actually giving them some free training to actually asking them email list. The moment they put this answer email list, I'm actually building email list. So that's why I'm talking about that. You can build your biggest asset of the internet by using email list. So once they put email list, once I approve them, see, there is a one caution I would like to share. Facebook doesn't save your data. Okay. So that's why what you need to do is before you approve, you need to copy paste the data. Here, what I'll do is I'll copy this particular email and paste in these things. Now this is a one. This is actually I can call it as a lengthy process. Maybe it is a manual process. For that, I'm using one tool that is something called Group Convert. It is a very easy to use tool. What I do is the moment I approve this person inside the group, what I'll show you, this group is saved a data. I'll just go to my group and push to the Google Sheet. So the moment it pushed to the Google Sheet, my Google Sheet connected with my email marketing system. So I don't have to copy, paste, and upload to the email marketing system. That is the one tool I'm using. Otherwise, everything is free. This is to just automate. You should, if you're just starting out having 0 members, maybe you can start with just doing manual job. Okay. So that's how I build my email list using Facebook group. Out of 1500 email list I have built 1300 from my Facebook group itself. Okay. So this is the next step. Okay, how many of you clear about the step number 6? Type C in the chat box. You were clear about it, whatever I've explained till this particular slide. Okay, thank you. So this is how the email list look like. I built this sheet. Now this particular sheet is connected with my email marketing system. Now step number 7, create content that convert. See, if you go to my groups, see, I have a lot of content that I create, actually convert people. Here also I created a post, people are commenting in this post, okay. Some other content people convert. See, last 13th May, I actually launched a 3-day training. That's actually I built I got a lot of leads from there. I think 98 comments. You can imagine the power. So it is not just about posting that, hey, join this group, but you should know the algorithm very well so that you can convert those people actually getting into webinar, getting into workshop. Okay. This process is slow, I know, but this actually give you quality leads. This will give you quality show up rate. Okay. So I can see like organically I got 35 people. 33 or 35 people, right? But 22 people at least join. So the show up rate definitely will be high because they know you, they see you, and they join. Okay. So this is a 7. So now I'd like to show you one content that I created way back. So what happened? This is called a validation post. There are a lot of posts you can create. I don't have time actually. Now I am actually going slow with time. So rather than just posting, join your webinar, you can validate your market that, okay, hey, you are going to do this and how many really interest to attend. So I'm getting 155 comments here. Okay, season 2 group cash flow challenge from Monday. How many of you really want to do? So this is, we call it a validation post. Okay, so this is how you should do with right call to action. Many people I see that they just post this thing. Okay, my webinar is on Monday. They just post it. How many of you seen that, or how many of you did this mistake in the past that you just post and just wait for people to come to you and not giving the right call to action? That actually that create. See, as I mentioned the first 2 slides, that Facebook will not show your promotion to 100% of your audience. That's why you need to create an engagement around that particular post. Once you create engagement, Facebook will see that, okay, this post has a lot of engagement. let's showcase to more people in your friend list, in your audience. Okay, now this will showcase to more people. Everybody is clear that how actually you can create engagement, asking right questions, asking right call to action. Okay, okay, great. The next step is by maybe you can do one-to-one if you have conversation with them. So I started with the messenger communication conversation. Okay, then I moved into challenge model. Okay, I started doing Facebook challenge. That's how actually convert them into sales. So the step number 8 is all about making the sale. Okay, once you set up all the system, now you're making sales. My first webinar, first challenge actually got me hundreds of people registrations and 30 people attended. You know what happens? That one challenge got me my first $1,000 from my coaching. Okay. So similarly, you can launch using Facebook group method. That is something going to help you. Okay, everybody is clear about step 8 of my group cash flow system. This is complete. There is nothing else I'm doing. I'm just repeating this all 8 steps every single day on a daily basis. Okay, everybody is clear about it. Type C. We have about 16 people in the chat box. Okay, thank you, Indrapit. Thank you, Soumya, Preeti. Yeah. Now, the next stage. I'll talk about some growth hacks so that they actually explode your organic engagement. Okay. So let's understand organic engagement. What is so Facebook organic engagement is something people takes your post. It can be like, comment, click, shares, video views, and so on. Okay. So these are the key metric to understand your engagement. How many comments you got, how many views you got if you are posting videos, how many likes you got. Okay, that is the engagement. Now growth hacks. Before you post anything, try to warm up your audience by actually engaging them. So it is not just about you taking leads. You have to give first to get. Okay, so that's why I always recommend to actually warm up your profile to actually see like you are also engaging with other posts. Now Facebook will show, okay, this person is active in other posts also. So let's give him some traffic. And do not just try to react them, interact with your audience on a messenger. If they're connected with you on a, do not just add friend, try to start conversation. Just start like, okay, thanks for connecting, how you, at least start your conversation. A lot of people actually don't know how to do this, how to generate leads, because actually Facebook is not showing them this particular post, whatever they're posting. Bid comment ladder. Now, what is comment ladder? So now, what? Let me show you something. Okay, let me show you this post particularly. Okay, somebody tagged me over here. I'm saying, okay, thank you. Okay, bro. Okay, so here he's sharing it. So this is actually called a ladder. Now I can go and reply to this. So try to create a ladder in your post so that Facebook will see that there is a huge engagement is going, comment ladder is creating. So let me do it. So a lot of the times I've seen people just post and their audience starting commenting and people don't even reply. So my job is always to actually reply everyone commenting on my post. Okay, that is the first thing. Let me take more. Thank you. Mahesh, Facebook profile, Facebook group, should I post different content? You can post same content. Okay. Now next is, this is called comment ladder. Make native content. Okay, sorry. Create engagement worthy comment. Now this post is engagement worthy content rather than just posting your Canva photo and just asking people to and thinking that people will join your thing. You have to ask them, okay, would like to attend. So that is the called engagement worthy content. Increase frequency. This is again, Facebook sees whether you are actually consistent or not. Please mute. Okay. So increase frequency, that at least post minimum three times in a week. Okay, I'll show you further. I talked about this particular post. How many of you seen this post? This post actually created crazy engagement, 5 million, not me. By the way, how many of you seen this post on a Facebook? It was actually viral 4 or 5 months back. People were targeting, tagging the celebrity, the people they like. Some of my students commented, sorry, tagging me also. How many have seen this? Anyone have seen this particular post when it actually went viral? I think 9 October, yeah, last year it is. Yes, not anyone. Anyway, so the objective is to actually, they are creating conversation around the post, nothing else. Okay, that's why you need to work on that, how you can create something. Not always talk about business. You can talk about something. Okay, which book you would like to recommend me, something like this. That people will go, okay, I have read this, you can do this. So try to create engagement. When Facebook sees that you have a lot of engagement, the next step, you know what happens. So always try to focus on give value, and give them ask. 3 times value, 4th time ask for joining your webinar, ask for buying your maybe your small ticket product, something. Some other type of post like Henry's post. Who wants to access to the free software lead magnet to grow your email list for free? That is the someone I used to do back in when I was doing a I call it affiliate marketing. Henry's post. So you are actually creating engagement worthy content. Engagement post. Here actually I'm giving, okay, this is something I have, type info. So I'm actually asking them to type this particular word that actually create a massive engagement in that particular post. Actually, this particular post actually helped me to got into top 20 ClickFunnels affiliates, and I got chance to speak, not speak, actually be part of Russell Brunson Mastermind. Facebook Live. This is the first. See, the group was only 120 people, and see the engagement, 459 engagements. So I was doing a 1 hour training, 1 hour 45 minutes training, and this happened. This is the power of Facebook group. Actually, I did inside a Facebook group, only I had a 120 members. This is crazy. How many of you see this is crazy? Type crazy in the chat box. When I actually launched my first group coaching. Anybody can see this? Yes. So this is how the all about this thing. Yes, Siddharth. Yes, Mahesh. Yeah. Okay. So the next step, the third segment of the this particular webinar, as I mentioned, that I'll be showing you the preview, what exactly what is about the next. How many of you would like to see what is next step and how even I can serve you in a better, highest level possible? Yes. Is it okay if I share about my next offer? Yes. Okay. How many of you got value from this last 1 hour and 10 minutes? If it is really value, then type value in the chat box. Yes. Do you think you can also do it? Yes. Thank you, Preeti. Thank you, Soumya. You got value. Thank you so much, Mahesh, Indrapreet. How many believe that you can also do it? This is not a big thing. See, if you are not investing on ads, you need to work on this particular thing. And literally, I would say you do not invest till you make $10,000 at least. That is at least 8 lakhs right now in an Indian currency. Till you make until you make 8 lakhs, do not invest anything on ads, because that is something will build you as a salesperson, online salesperson. Okay, you will learn a lot of things while you do organic marketing, because you connect with your audience very fast. Yes. So the next offer is something called like step-by-step action plan to implement whatever system I have talked about it. You can do it by yourself, but if you need support, like some accountability inside a group where we will go together and implement together and with accountability. Okay, and you might be needs ongoing support. Once you, let's suppose you are stuck with step number 2, then you can ask questions in a live call. Okay, so this would be live things. So basically I prefer live. Definitely I have a course. I'm planning to create some more courses, but I believe in live coaching so that I can serve you live like this. So here I'm just giving you like live training. So here I'll be helping you implement step by step to build your Facebook group system from step 1 to step 10. So step 8. And build, grow, and monetize your Facebook community. And accountability to consistent, there are three level of accountability is there, and you will get framework and template to implement fast. Okay, so whenever you are trying to let's suppose you don't know the Facebook, how to design a Facebook cover, so I have a specific training for that particular part. I'm not doing it. The person who designed my Facebook cover, he is doing that training inside our coaching. Okay, so that you will build a right type of system that will attract a lot more leads towards your system. So this is called what is a GCF Sprint, the whole 8-step system where you start your journey with identify your dream customer. Okay, so 8-step system. Second is you'll identify places. I've shared Facebook group. There are other ways to do it. There are other I'll go deeper into it and actually show you how I do it and how I attract and how I set up my leads in system, how to set up your questionnaire. The questions are based on your niche, maybe whatever questions you should ask. I'll give you some other examples also. Filter your core audience with hot warm. That is the system you will filter out. Building your email list. Okay, and how to create that content that will convert. There are one ways I've shared the engagement post. There are other ways to actually create a content that actually help you to convert more people towards your funnel. So this is the group cash flow sprint. Okay. So this is the first, we'll start with a 21-day live challenge. Okay. Definitely. And this is not just for 21 days, you would be part of lifetime inside our community and attend weekly calls, weekly doubt clearing classes. But first we'll start 21 days from Monday. That is the next batch I'm going to start. This is the objective is to step-by-step action guide to build your inbound lead machine. And you will master organic lead generation using Facebook group. And this is the system will help you to get to your next $1,000. Not just me, a lot of people inside our community have done it already. And this will be no more action, information more or less I'll be giving, but I'll focus on 15 minutes or 20 minutes of learning and next 30 minutes of implementing. So that is something I'm going to focus for next 21 days. So in a week, you have to spend total time 3 to 4 hours, not more than that. If you stay with me, stay focused here, within 21 days, everything will get done. Daily small steps you will take and 3 levels of accountability. Accountability with the group you will be part of, where I'll be creating accountability post, accountability with accountability partner. I'm going to actually assign you randomly. That is based on the people join. Okay, that is the next step. And third web accountability, sometimes I will see that how you are working, and I will hey, you need to work on these things. So I'll be closely looking towards every one, how you are doing it, how you are building it, since you are going to share the work inside the group. That is something I'm going to look at. So this is the 21-day roadmap. And the bonus I would like to give, this is my organic traffic mastery. Here actually I'll be adding not just Facebook, some other tools also. So here basically I'll be covering organic. So this is the course. Okay. This course is only focused on organic traffic mastery. This is a course will be, this is not actually built yet. This is a future course, will be built within next 20 to 30 days. Second, you will be learning content domination. This is another course I'll be giving as a bonus. Okay. So for you will be creating content based on the customer journey. So let's suppose there are people somewhere don't know about what kind of problem they are going through. So based on that, you will create content like this. People someone know the problem but don't know the solution. For them, you will create a content something. For people who are ready to purchase or ready to get into a solution, but they still stuck with some mindset issue. So this is a content domination, and also we do a lot of challenges inside. Now we are doing some 30-day video domination challenge. So that is also, I'm going to also keeping you accountable that every day you are going to take action. So whole community is going to help you, because all other members are also organic marketer, and you will not just going to learn from me. You'll see how other members are also working. Okay. So content creation framework, I'll be giving you some framework for text and video. Content planning, content distribution, that's the part of content domination mastery course. Tools mastery. Many of you still struggle with some tools like email marketing tools, live streaming tool, how I do it through it, StreamYard, and sales funnel building tool. This is the something I'm going to create to help you to actually set up your system for better deliverability of your product. Okay. This sales funnel is one of my students. She's going to build this sales funnel. Okay. And then TBM members training. So TBM members training is other members, those who are doing really good into their organic domain, because they know a lot of other organic strategies. So they do training. So learn from other practitioners from our community. Expert training, I invite training other marketers, not just me. I'm just teaching Facebook. Marketer means those who don't know what is the marketer, they are actually into marketing domain. They're actually working on marketing, growing traffic. So I'm actually invite them. So recently I invited a 7-figure 2 Comma Club winner inside our community. Sixth, if you want to get to know about affiliate marketing, even if you're into coaching, for that, you also need affiliate marketing to actually create a passive sources of income. Okay. I'll be showing you how to select a product step by step to start affiliate marketing, and how you can make a recurring commission. Few more bonuses. You will be getting access to my community. 2 communities there, Telegram and Facebook. Facebook is for accountability. Whenever you're going to take action every single day, you will be getting small tasks to do it. You do it and post inside the group. Okay, I've done day number 1. So there is very less chance that you will fail in this. The only way you will fail when you quit. Okay. How do you think? Like, do you think in this system you will never fail if you just implement? Because here I'm going to give you the best accountability system for you to actually success. And I'm not only just 21 days, I'm ready to support you even after 21 days. So you will come whenever you get stuck with anything, just come and ask question, and this will be solved in a Wednesday call. And this is something, the bonus I'm going to give you. So how you can, there is a Canva template I'm going to give you. You don't have to create a Canva. So I've already built a Canva template for you, and the training how to actually implement it for your cover designing. Okay, that has been done. If you want to hire a professional designer, you can do it, but I have set up that done for you. So this is the benefits you are going to get. First, you will identify your dream customer for your product, identify places they are hang out, attract your dream clients, set up your inbound leads system, filter your audience from a cold audience to warm audience, and build your email list, create content that convert. And last is build your first or next $1,000 without having huge following and paid ads. As I mentioned, there are members who have just 72 members and they have done it. You can also do it. Cool. So these are the things you are going to get, everything, and the value is super valuable. The reason being, as I know that I have paid more than $15,000 just to get all these things. This particular sprint will change your game for sure, because people are literally charging minimum $1,000 or maximum I've seen that is $7,500. Okay, that is the things you are going to get, everything that I've just mentioned. And the total worth, really worth, because I've spent this amount of money to learn it and implement it and got result. The price of this original price I'm planning to create once everything will set up, because this particular live things will be making it recorded after some time. And the original price to put, I'm going to put $19,999 or $297 in a dollar if someone having outside joining outside my community. Okay, sorry, outside this India. And special offer for this particular webinar, this is something I'm going to give you special offer on 4 times 9 or $147. Okay, so this will be $20K or $297 once I actually complete record all courses that I mentioned in the last 2-3 courses that I mentioned. Yeah. But the live coaching session will start from Monday. And now let me know who is ready. Would you like to get more bonuses? Type B in the chat box if you like to get some cool bonuses. I'm able to see like what exactly the special bonuses, fast action bonus, those who are actually going to take action today. Type B for bonuses if you would like to see what exactly. Yes, I'd like to see more B if you would like to know what exactly the more bonuses I can give you. Yes, Mahesh, Rachit, Bya. What about others? You don't want to see bonuses? Cool. Okay, so fast action bonus, I would like to give you group convert license for 3 months. This actual price, if you would like to purchase this from outside, it will cost you $51 because the monthly price is, the tool of the cost is $17. So whenever we are going to implement it, I'm going to give you access for from that day will be for next 3 months. So we are going to get this. Is it something cool? So this particular bonus is crazy. Something if you going to buy this, you have to buy it for $51, like more than 4,000 rupees something. So this is you are going to get if you take decision today. Okay, this is the only for fast action bonus, not for everyone. I don't, if you go to see my funnel, you will not find these particular bonuses. Earlier I used to have, but, and I'm going to give you 1 hour one-to-one call. So normally if you ask me to for 1 hour one-to-one call, I'll charge $200 because I know the value I can give you. I give you the direction. So this is I'll give you for one-on-one call. And 7-day Facebook live challenge, that is also I do. I'll be sharing the one quick video of that particular experience of a lot of people got a lot of breakthrough. That is something I charge $1,000. That is refundable, but you don't have to pay that money. That is, I'm going to give you access for the next batch. This is a super cool offer. And now I'd like to know who is going to grab this offer. Type me, then I'll share the link in the description. I'll be sharing some more things. See, so these are the things whosoever people are attending my workshop, they are getting massive results. I'm just like to see, yeah, people are getting new leads, people are getting one-to-one meetings scheduled through all the things I've shared. Just see this.
I am a student success coach,
Digital disability coach.
I'm a video marketer.
Is it audible? Just checking. Type yes if it's audible. Okay, cool.
Specialist.
I had a fear, to do FB lives.
Before joining this challenge, I used to felt very shy, very uncomfortable.
Sagar is an awesome coach. Just follow whatever he says blindly. Maybe I'm elder to Sagar, and I just thought whatever he says, I'm going to do it. That's all. That was my thought process, and I did it. I finished all 7 days, and the happiness I have inside today is something amazing.
Sagar is the first person I have seen who has a lot of success and also the student results, and at the same time in his journey he again came back to serving the people who are in the beginning phase to help them take proper action. This is what shows genuine caring for the people.
This challenge is designed in such a way which can definitely help anyone to come out from this camera shyness.
He gave me the good confidence to go ahead, and second, he gave me the consistency path to take things forward.
So thank you very much, Sagar. The program, the structure, the way you interacted, the way you helped me is totally awesome. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, Sagar, for the opportunity, and thank you for everything that you have done.
Thank you so much.
Cool. So this was the actually last workshop we did the last week we just completed, and yeah. So as I mentioned, you don't need thousands of audience to do it. You can do it even you have less than 100 members. A lot of people are given the feedback. 14-year kid can do it, then you can also do it. He's just 14 years from Nepal, and he has done it, crossed $1,019, and a lot of people. So then people crossed $1,000 mark. And I would love to help you to get your first or next $1,000 mark, and this is the offer price. Now let me know who is up for this particular challenge. 21-day challenge. I'm just going to share. If you are, this is the link, just sharing in the link. So if the first link is for Indian, if you're outside, you can check out the next link. Okay, so yeah, I'm open for question right now. So feel free to ask questions, whatever you have from the session today. Yes. Okay, Soumya, you are living. Okay, session. Okay. Yeah, Tia.
Hi, Sagar.
Hi.
Sagar, I wanted to ask, nowadays Instagram is more more visible. So you said even you can use Instagram as well. Will it work similar to FB?
Instagram is now the more thing that is working on like reels, creating reels.
Yeah,
so once you
yeah.
create content or reels, similarly people try to check out your bio, right? In bio, what I've done is actually I've created a link called Linktree. Have you heard about
That
Linktree?
that I have that. Yeah.
Through that, I'm getting members from Instagram also.
Okay.
Yes.
No, but it is like how we have an FB VIP groups and all that does not work in Instagram, right?
No. In Instagram, Instagram is just a tool to attract people towards your funnel. Through that, you can do it.
Yeah.
The community building happens inside only in Facebook. LinkedIn had, but that is dead. That they are not actually. Facebook is the best platform, because Facebook is something people are by default they're like just scrolling the feed or something.
Yeah. And one more thing, you spoke about group convert. That you put the all the leads generated, you just put it into group convert. So you have to link group convert to FB, right? As you said.
It is a Chrome extension. You have to link group convert to it.
Yeah, so it won't, FB does not do this thing. FB does not collect leads for you. It just the data after posting the data, supposing if I want to join your group,
Once I approve you, the moment I approve it lost. So before, that's why group convert will help you to capture that leads into that system. Then I'll go and just put it on my sheet.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much.
Yes. Any more questions you have? Yes, no question. Shall we leave? Hi Karan, good to see you after a long time. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Yes, guys, turn on your video if you like to ask any question for the question, because I have another session also.